Tonight, we're finally gonna draw the star of dinosaurs alive. Its name? Seismosaurus. One of the greatest giants from founded in prehistory. I consider this prehistoric animal to be I consider this prehistoric giant to be one of my favorites. This gigantic prehistoric automaton has been around since the age of diplodocid, brachiosaurus, and of course, brachiosaurus. Which is why I consider this one to be one of my favorites. Alexa, can you tell me about the dinosaur known as Seismosaurus?
From groundreport.com, the thesaurus was probably the most intelligent creature of the Cretaceous period.
What was that?
Want cheese on your burger?
Yes. Not that new cheese, okay?
Yellow American?
Yes.
Okay.
Alexa,
Seismosaurus is a genus of reptiles.
Alexa, can you tell me about the sauropod dinosaur known as Seismosaurus?
The scientific name of sauropoda is sauropoda. A dinosaur is also known as dinosaurio and dinosauria, and Seismosaurus is Seismosaurus.
Alexa, can you tell me about Seismosaurus?
Seismosaurus is a genus of reptiles.
Alexa, what is Seismosaurus?
Seismosaurus is usually defined as a dinosaur of genus Seismosaurus from the Jurassic period.
And finished. There he is, everyone. One of the main stars from Dinosaurs Alive. One of my favorites. I've always enjoyed this prehistoric creature. I've always been part of it. I loved it. I loved this dinosaur ever since the first day I met it. Anybody who's enjoyed dinosaurs is a friend of mine. These prehistoric animals have been around for a long time. And well, I'm proud to to add this one to the set. That's all for now.